your AC is fine, the air feels dead. The fix: treated fresh air. Stay, this will change how buildings breathe. Ever walked into a mall or hospital where the air feels crisp, energizing and easy to breathe? Now imagine that same building with no fresh air entering. Within a short time, carbon dioxide levels would rise, oxygen levels would drop, and people would start feeling sleepy, tired and uncomfortable, even if the air conditioner was running perfectly. So how do modern buildings keep thousands of people breathing fresh, healthy air every day? The answer is treated fresh air, one of the most important yet least understood parts of any commercial HVAC system. In minutes, you'll see what treated fresh air is, how a FAHU works, and why every modern building relies on it. Ready to see how buildings actually breathe? Let's dive in. What is fresh air? Before we understand treated fresh air, let's first understand fresh air. Fresh air simply means outdoor air taken from the atmosphere. This air contains oxygen that people need for breathing. Every time we inhale, we consume oxygen. Every time we exhale, we release carbon dioxide. Now imagine hundreds or even thousands of people inside a commercial building. If no fresh air enters, carbon dioxide keeps increasing while oxygen levels gradually decrease. This leads to headaches, tiredness, poor concentration and reduced productivity. That's why every commercial building requires a continuous supply of fresh outdoor air. Why can't we use outside air directly? Now you might think, why not just open a window? Sounds simple until comfort collapses. Because outdoor air isn't always suitable for indoor comfort. During summer, outdoor temperatures can easily reach 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. The air may also contain dust, smoke, pollen, bacteria, unpleasant odors and high humidity. If we directly supply this air into an air-conditioned building, the cooling load increases, humidity rises, occupants become uncomfortable and electricity consumption goes up significantly. That's why engineers first treat the outdoor air before supplying it indoors. What is treated fresh air? Treated fresh air is outdoor air filtered, cooled or heated, dehumidified and delivered at the right temperature and humidity for people. In simple words, it is clean, comfortable, healthy and conditioned outdoor air. This process improves indoor air quality while maintaining thermal comfort. What is a FAHU? The equipment responsible for producing treated fresh air is called the Fresh Air Handling Unit or FAHU. Think of the FAHU as a machine that transforms hot, dusty outdoor air into clean, cool, breathable air before it enters the building. Without a FAHU, commercial buildings would struggle to maintain both comfort and healthy indoor air quality. How does a FAHU work? What's the air's journey? It's surprisingly satisfying. Let's follow the journey of the air. First, outside air enters through a fresh air louver. This louver prevents rain, birds and large debris from entering the system. Next, the air passes through a pre-filter. The pre-filter captures larger dust particles. After that, the air moves through a fine filter which removes much smaller particles and improves air cleanliness. Now the air reaches the cooling coil. This coil contains chilled water or refrigerant. As the hot outdoor air passes over the cold coil, its temperature begins to drop. But something even more important happens. Moisture in the air starts condensing on the cooling coil. This removes excess humidity from the air. The condensed water collects inside the drain pan and flows out through the drain pipe. Finally, the centrifugal fan pushes the treated fresh air into the duct system where it is distributed throughout the building. By the time the air reaches the occupants, it is clean, cool, comfortable and healthy. Why dehumidification is important? Cooling alone is not enough. Humidity also affects comfort. Imagine entering an air-conditioned room that feels sticky. The temperature may be low, but high humidity still makes people uncomfortable. The cooling coil removes both heat and moisture, creating comfortable indoor conditions. That's why humidity control is just as important as temperature control. Where is treated fresh air used? Treated fresh air systems are found almost everywhere. Hospitals use them to maintain clean indoor environments. Hotels provide fresh air for guest comfort. Shopping malls serve thousands of visitors every day. Airports continuously ventilate large passenger terminals. Pharmaceutical plants and clean rooms rely on treated fresh air to reduce contamination. Office buildings improve employee comfort and productivity. Wherever people gather indoors, treated fresh air is essential. AHU versus FAHU. Many beginners confuse AHU and FAHU, an air handling unit, or AHU. Mainly conditions return air from inside the building. Depending on the design, it may also mix in some fresh outdoor air. A fresh air handling unit, or FAHU, is dedicated to treating outdoor air before supplying it indoors. Simply put, AHU mainly manages indoor return air, while FAHU prepares fresh outdoor air. Together, they deliver comfort and health. Benefits of treated fresh air. A properly designed treated fresh air system provides many benefits. It improves indoor air quality, reduces carbon dioxide concentration, controls humidity, removes dust and airborne contaminants, improves occupant comfort, supports healthier indoor environments, enhances productivity in offices, protects sensitive equipment in specialized facilities. This is why treated fresh air has become an essential part of modern HVAC design. In malls, hospitals, airports, hotels, and offices, it's not just AC. Behind the scenes, a FAHU keeps filtering, cooling, and dehumidifying treated fresh air so everyone breathes cleaner, healthier air. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to SR HVAC, and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.